Sometimes luxury whispers, sometimes it growls. And in the case of the 2025 Range Rover Sport V8, it does both, in perfect harmony. We spent a full week with the all-new Range Rover Sport V8 in autobiography trim. And let's just say, this isn't your average luxury SUV. This is style, performance, and brute force, all wrapped in a high-end British suit. Let's be honest. Most crossovers on the road today blend together like copy-and-paste templates. Safe, rounded, anonymous. But then, something like this comes along. Something that commands presence. That makes you stop in your tracks and say, wow. The 2025 Range Rover Sport is one of those vehicles that stands out even while standing still. With its low, wide stance, athletic bodywork, and massive 23-inch wheels, it's the kind of SUV that turns heads at every intersection. Ours came painted in Firenze red, a deep, rich hue that sparkled in the sun and looked downright sinister under streetlights. But here's the thing. The Sport isn't just about looking good. It delivers. Under the hood is a 4.4-liter twin-turbocharged V8 pushing out 523 horsepower and 553 pound-feet of torque. That's enough to launch this nearly 3-ton beast from 0 to 60 in about 4.3 seconds. Let that sink in. A luxurious, full-size SUV with massage seats and premium wood trim, moving like a sports car. And while this isn't the fastest, Range Rover in that crown goes to the SV model. The autobiography V8 delivers more than enough performance to make you grin every time you press the throttle. It's ferocious, confident, and surprisingly agile. But let's talk about where this SUV really shines. The interior. Step inside, and you're greeted with an atmosphere that feels more like a first-class airline cabin than a car. The seats are unlike anything we've tested. Plush, sculpted, and ridiculously comfortable, almost like modern lounge furniture. They even come with built-in armrests that you can adjust or stow away. Thigh support? Best in the business. Head and neck support? On point. These seats don't just support you, they pamper you, and the comfort doesn't stop there. The cabin is whisper quiet, with thick glass and active noise cancellation doing their job to perfection. It's a sanctuary from the outside world, until, of course, you mash the gas pedal and wake that V8 from its slumber. Infotainment is handled through a sharp, floating touchscreen interface. It's intuitive, clean, and packed with features. But not perfect. Like many new systems, there's still some lag here and there. Voice commands work well, but can get tripped up if you're not specific. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are wireless, and the digital driver display is both beautiful and functional. Now, while the materials throughout the cabin are mostly top-notch, we did have a few gripes. One being the piano black plastic. On the steering wheel and center console, it not only lacks the premium feel of metal or leather, but it also collects fingerprints like a detective on a crime scene. And that brings us to the center console itself. It's cleverly designed, but not without its quirks. Just behind the shifter is a sliding panel. Underneath, you'll find 2 cup holders stacked above a deep storage cubby. Sounds practical, right? Until you try to use both. Need something from the cubby? You'll have to take out your drinks first. Not exactly ideal. Still, storage is abundant. Dual glove boxes for the front passenger. A hidden cooler compartment between the front seats. A wireless charging pad. Hidden coin trays. Pass-through storage beneath the console. It's like a luxury-themed Swiss Army knife. Rear passengers aren't left out either. While their seats lack some of the adjustability and features of the front row, they're just as comfortable. Legroom and headroom are generous, even for taller folks. And yes, the rear seats do recline, perfect for long road trips or power naps. Even the cargo area is thoughtfully designed. Rubber flooring, clever storage solutions, and a simple pull-out tonneau cover make the trunk space both practical and premium. Whether you're hauling groceries or golf bags, the Sport has you covered. But here's the real magic of the 2025 Range Rover Sport V8. It doesn't try to be everything. It doesn't pretend to be an extreme off-roader like the Defender. It's not as regal or grand as the flagship Range Rover. and it certainly doesn't chase volume like cheaper competitors. Instead, it carves out its own space, a space for drivers who want true luxury, but also want a bit of thrill, a bit of attitude, a bit of wildness still alive under all that refinement. Yes, it's expensive. Our test model rang up at $130,000, and even the base SE model starts at just under 84 grand. That's a steep entry point, especially when some rivals offer more tech or better fuel economy for less money. But here's the catch. Those rivals don't look like this. They don't sound like this. And they sure as hell don't feel like this behind the wheel. Because when you drop the hammer on a Range Rover Sport V8, you're not just going fast. You're making a statement. And in today's world of cookie-cutter SUVs, maybe that matters more than ever. This vehicle reminds us that luxury doesn't have to be quiet. That performance doesn't have to come at the cost of comfort, that you can have your leather-wrapped cake and drive it too. The 2025 Range Rover Sport V8 is a wild animal in a velvet cage. It's fierce but polished, bold but refined, and, after spending a week behind the wheel, we're convinced. Luxury still has a wild side, and it's wearing a Range Rover badge. Thanks for riding with us here on Shift Path. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more deep dives into the cars that move us, literally and emotionally. We'll see you on the next drive.